Something that differentiates Vision for Life from many other practices, eye surgery practices in particular, is that in a lot of other practices, you're not necessarily going to see the surgeon, maybe even before the surgery. It's possible that in some practices, the first time you meet your surgeon will be on the day of surgery. That's not true for Vision for Life. So you will meet me the very first time you come in to be evaluated. You'll have a sit down, you'll have a chance to speak to me to let me know what your needs are, what your goals are, and how you wish to be able to see. Not only that, but I'm the only surgeon in the practice. It's all me, for better or worse. And so when you come to see me and you see my name on that door, you can rest assured that I'm the only one that's doing your surgery, that's doing your care. Sometimes patients will come to me from an eye doctor. They come from a long distance away. Maybe they want to go back to that eye doctor and they want to know whether I'm comfortable having that eye doctor take care of them. And there are eye doctors that I've worked with for years, and I know that they know the patient inside and out, and they're quite capable of taking care of that patient. And so if it benefits the patient, we can do that. But for the most part, I see all of my patients before, during, and after their procedure.